Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install WSL2 on Windows for Linux tooling step by step clearly. To install WSL2 on Windows for Linux tooling, start by ensuring your Windows version is up to date. You will need Windows 10 version 1903 or later, or Windows 11. Open the Start menu and type Windows Update. Click on Check for updates and install any pending updates. Once your system is updated, open PowerShell with administrative privileges. To do this, right-click the Start button and select Windows PowerShell, Admin. In the PowerShell window, type the following command to enable the WSL feature, Once the installation completes, restart your computer when prompted. After the restart, open PowerShell again with administrative privileges. Next, you need to set WSL2 as the default version. Type the following command, WSL set default version 2. Press Enter to execute the command. Now, you need to install a Linux distribution. Open the Microsoft Store from the Start menu. Search for your preferred Linux distribution, such as Ubuntu. Select the distribution and click on the Install button. After the installation completes, launch the distribution from the Start menu. The first time you launch it, you will be prompted to create a user account and password. Follow the prompts to set up your Linux environment. Once complete, you can start using Linux tools directly from WSL2. To update your Linux package list, type sudo apt update and press Enter. Now you're ready to install any additional Linux tools you may need. Congratulations, you have successfully installed WSL2 on Windows for Linux tooling. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.